Hey man, say man, it's your boy Big Dreams. Welcome back to the channel. Before we carry on any further with this video, make sure y'all like, make sure y'all comment. Most importantly, make sure y'all subscribe and hit that post notification bell. Set it to all. Y'all already know what the deal is, man. We is back with a doggone banger, man. Yes, sir. We is back with another banger video. And let me turn y'all around real quick, man, so y'all can see a boy face. But gang, we got something special in store today, man. We got another POV in the city. And before I carry on any further, man, I just want to thank y'all for 3,000 subscribers, man. Look at that sub count. I'm finna put it up on the screen, man. Y'all been going stupid. Y'all been going dumb. And I appreciate y'all, man. I really do. The next goal now is 4K. And I know we gonna get there with maximum efficiency, man. So to all the new ones, thank you. To all the OGs that's been here, thank you, man. But we finna get busy in this Hellcat, y'all. Finna get right. Finna get a little shiesty on the highway. You know, a little lane switching, a little pull. Hey, y'all already know what the deal is. I ain't even gotta get into it because y'all already know, man, when it comes to these POVs, you gotta get shiesty every once in a while. But I'm finna get the custom mode set up together real quick, man. So let me turn the camera around so y'all can see the custom mode setup that I'm gonna be using in the Hellcat for the POV video today. So I got the 717 power, so I'm gonna go to custom. Got the power set to 717, man. Transmission and track, paddle shifters are on. Traction is in street, man. I gotta keep the traction in a respectable stage because this thing here don't play no games. So traction is gonna stay in street. Suspension is gonna be in track. And that steering is gonna be in sport, man. So that's my custom mode setup for the day for the POV video. And man, y'all already know we in the beast today, man. The 2021 Hellcat Challenger. We about to get shiesty, we about to get right. A little good POV in the city, man. Y'all already know. I'm gonna put that up on the screen. A good POV in the city. But without further ado, I done did enough talking. I'm finna go on ahead and get the GoPro set up. We finna get on the road and get shiesty. Y'all, we finna get a little shiesty this morning, man. About to turn it up a notch. That doggone Supercharged sound like music, man. Let me get these side mirrors adjusted because I'm gonna need them mugs. Okay, I should be good. Ooh, yes, boy. Can't wait to give me one of these things, y'all. Give the Scat Pack a bigger brother. Not a big brother, but a bigger brother. I was sliding in, boy. That's what I like. I like that power. I like that. There we go. Oh yeah, gang, we got a good open road. Finna get a little shiesty. Told y'all we get shiesty this morning. We getting real shiesty. It's getting nasty. Come on, bro. I be hating. Thank you. To say, man, move out the way. Something. Hopefully I can catch an open road on the other side, man. That be the thing. You catch an open road on one side, you get to the other side, it don't even be open. That's probably the best pull I'm gonna get this whole video. But still, we gonna get shiesty. We finna get shiesty for real. These folks don't move that doggone mobility scooter out the way. Let me just get behind them. Oh yeah, I'm using pedal shifters too, by the way, man. I'm shifting them things myself. Y'all hear that thing? That thing sound too good, boy. Y'all hear that thing? I like that. Bruh, the Hellcat would not be the Hellcat if that supercharger wasn't there. That's what makes the Hellcat that ying, ying, ying. That's what make that Hellcat a Hellcat all day long. Here we go. After sitting at the red light for I don't know how long. Thing he'll jerk you so hard it'll give you a headache a little bit. Broke traction. Oh, I just broke traction like a mug. Whoa. Just threw it back in automatic, man. I'm gonna let it do the shifting itself this time. Finna see how shiesty we can get though. Can't get too shiesty, doggone. Cars piled up on top of each other. That junk crazy, boy. I broke traction too hard just then. I think that's one of the things you gotta watch out for in these cars, man. Just gotta be mindful of it. You can break traction real easy. I done broke traction in my Scat Pack so many times. Dry road, wet road, it just, sometimes it happens. That's what you get when you get a lot of horsepower. I couldn't get too shiesty on this side, gang. Trucks is just messing it up, bro. Things move like turtles. No, matter of fact, turtles move faster than these trucks do. would get sideways right here, man, but it be too many policemen sitting off in the cut just for me to start burning rubber like that. So I'ma say that for my Scat Pack. I can go somewhere and get sideways in my Scat Pack a little bit. I've been practicing on getting sideways, man. I ain't the best with it, but I mean, hey, you gotta learn, you gotta take it slow. Sooner or later, I'm gonna be a professional spinner, a professional slanger. And when I say slanger, I mean the car. I already know some of y'all got them nasty minds, but I'm talking about the car. Slanging the car, doing them donuts. About to see if we can get shiesty this time, man. Hold on, I don't want to break traction here. Ooh, these things is throwing. Truck, you messing up my shiestiness. And it ain't even enough. All right, cool, you moving out the way. Dang, messing up my shiestiness, big dog. Oh, y'all, we moving, man. Bro, have a blowout on side of the road. Yo, we flying, boy. Flying like a kite out this thing, boy. We getting right. We getting right out this piece. Yeah, man, I love this thing, y'all. I can't wait to get me one. I really can't wait to get me one. I really might go Hellcat Durango though. Hellcat Durango, because I don't see a lot of Hellcat Durangos like that. I always see a lot of Hellcat Challengers, Hellcat Chargers, and Trackhawks. I don't see a lot of people touch them Hellcat Durangos, so I feel like I can get that Durango Hellcat and get right. Like, for real, bro, like, do some crazy, stupid mess to it. I ain't gonna speak on that just yet, because, you know, I'm far away from that point. But just know, if I get that Durango Hellcat, man, I got a plan for it. But, hey, say, man, this is the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, make sure y'all comment. Most importantly, make sure y'all subscribe, man. Subscribe now and hit that post notification bell, set it to all. All of my social medias are gonna pop up on the screen and links are gonna be in the description as well. So make sure y'all follow my main Instagram, my backup Instagram. Make sure y'all follow me on TikTok and make sure y'all follow me on Twitter, man. Once again, I appreciate y'all for 3,000 plus subs, man. The next goal that I'm focusing on now is 4,000. So I know we gonna get there with maximum efficiency. And I know y'all gonna keep running your ball up and y'all gonna do what you gotta do, man. So I just want y'all to know I appreciate y'all. I love y'all, the new ones and the ones that's been here. And I'm coming with this content, bro. I'm coming with POVs. I'm coming with all types of car content, gun content, vlogs, all that, man. I know I've been posting a lot of cars lately, but it's like I've been so into cars, man, and I ain't been ignoring that. But I know y'all been seeing it, but your boy just been so into cars lately, man. It's been ridiculous. But hey, we out this thing.